Have you ever wished for a personalized skincare routine that doesn't break the bank or involve complicated ingredients? I did too. That's what I'm all about these days, and that's why I continue to use my face mask maker machine. This little gadget has completely transformed the way I approach skincare. You can create your own natural face mask using fresh fruits, vegetables, milk, honey, or even a splash of red wine. How cool is that? No chemicals, no mystery ingredients, just pure natural goodness for your skin. Now, what makes this machine so special is how easy and fun it is to use. It takes all the guesswork out of skincare by letting you customize masks tailored to your needs. Got dry skin? Add some hydrating aloe or cucumber juice. Want a glowing complexion? Try a mix of orange juice and a collagen pill. The machine does all the heavy lifting. Just pour in your ingredients, and it evenly dispenses the mixture into a mask mold. In just 5 minutes, you've got a fresh, natural mask ready to use. And cleanup is just as simple. Pour in water, turn it on, and let it self-clean while you sit back and relax. It's perfect for anyone who wants to elevate their skincare routine without spending hours or a fortune. I've loved experimenting with this through the last couple of years since I've had it. It still works well, and I love the different combinations I can come up with and seeing how my skin responds to natural ingredients. If you're looking for a fun, effective, and affordable way to level up your self-care routine, this machine is a must-have. Hey, check it out on Amazon. My link is in the description box. And you know, I am an Amazon associate, and I do earn from qualifying purchases. And I thank you so much for your support. Have a great one. Bye now.